We would like to thank all our supporters for coming in our mall shows last October 6 and October 7.
Yeah, thank you.
At SM Bikutan and SM Mega Mall.
Yeah, it was a blast. Thank you
It was
guys.
amazing.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Stop! It's question and answer time!
Guys.
Time!
Question number 1 from @Zayn Garcia. Weirdest thing you've done in your life? Come.
Weirdest thing? Na in love ako sa teacher ko. I thought it was my crush.
Yeah.
Bro, sa akin, akala ko yung deodorant pang neck. Ako, weirdest thing, grabe. Maglabas ka ng bahay, yung chinelas ko. Magkaiba pala.
Yeah. Yung hand ko, inimagine ko, yung crush ko, kinis ko. Weird.
Ako, dati, yung buhok ko, kinky.
Ako. Buko dati, barber's cat.
Alright guys, question number 2 from Maribel Techilan. Weirdest dance move. Weirdest dance move? For me, Opa Gangnam Style.
Opa Gangnam Style.
Boom!
Huh? Weirdest dance move?
Weirdest dance move? For me, this.
Yay! For me,
Sa akin, nung grade school ako, grabe, sumayaw ko ng Jumbo Hotdog, kaya mo ba to?
Question number 3 from Ashley Posadas.
Oh, Posadas?
Okay, the question is, bakit ang blackboard color green?
W can do it. Kasi, hindi siya black. Boom!
Okay,
Rans, I think question
number 4. What will you do if you see a ghost? From Aryan J. Okay.
for us,
For us,
we will close our eyes and pray.
Wow.
For me, I will tell the ghost daw kita.
Yeah.
For me, I'll talk to her or to him. Then, tatanungin ko lang kung gusto niya. Yay!
Yay.
for me,
Yay.
I will run as fast as I can.
Bye.
5. Paano kayo pumorma sa babae?
Bro,
Hey, from Beatrice Espeno.
for me, chill na lang. Kakantahan ko lang na Ay, girl you just got my eye.
Yay!
For me, hi Liz, can I get your number? Yeah.
Yeah.
0915-139.
Right.
Sim ka lang. Ay, kita ako ng ads.
Yo!
Sana mo yan.
Boom!
for me, tatanungin ko siya, hi miss, kilala ba kita?
For me, ako Grants. Dadaanin ko siya sa tingin hanggang sa malaman niya na gusto ko siya.
How about you, Oliver?
Tititigan kita. And then lead by.
Okay,
Last question, bro.
question number 6! Last question from Dan Gaston 16.
Thank you for the questions.
If meron kang isang kanta na i-dedicate para sa isang babae, ano yun?
Baby blue eyes.
Baby, baby blue eyes, stay with me by my side.
Hinahanap-hanap kita.
Sa umaga't sa gabi, sa bawat minutong lumilipas.
You'll always be my baby.
You'll always be a part of me.
I'm part of you indefinitely.
For me, we're the perfect team.
Cause you're the apple to my pie, you're the straw to my berry.
Babe, I love you. I love you too.
Babe, I love you.
I'm yours.
I'm yours.
Alright. So,
Thank you guys.
thank you.
Quiet. Thank you for the questions.
We are inviting you to go to our mall shows this coming October and November.
See you. Boom.
See you there.